Installing of the HEMS device follows simple procedures, and you'll be through with it before you know it. First thing to do would be to unpack the HEMS controller. Remember that you'll need 2 screwdrivers in order to complete this installation process. After unpacking the device, proceed to open the main distribution board. Disconnect the electricity main switch and then proceed to open the distribution board cover. This is an important precautionary measure to avoid exposure to electric hazards. After disconnecting the main switch, install the Robotina power meter. The power meter will serve out the energy use information that is needed for energy optimization by the HEMS unit. When this is done, you should then insert, place, install the HEMS controller and subsequently connect it to the house's power supply. Once this connection is made, proceed to connect the HEMS controller with the Ethernet cables that links the home's modem or network router. Then, lastly, fix back the distribution board cover and turn the main switch back on, and your optimization system is up and running.